all, Diamond Nicole here. This is a quick tutorial on how to do your own DIY V-steam at home, also known as Yoni steam. If you don't know what Yoni steam is or V-steam is, please stay tuned throughout the video and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Steam. Yoni steam is an ancient practice from South Africa, Asia, and South America. These steam places are popping up all over in different locations. Yes, I've had a Yoni steam before at a spa, and it was amazing. I really loved it. It was very relaxing. I was a little nervous. The Yoni steam practice, it gives you several different benefits. Benefits like reducing menstrual cramps, bloating, exhaustion. It also boosts your fertility, and it helps with healing. I purchased my Yoni herbs from Amazon.com. I'll leave a picture of what it looks like. I purchased it from a person called Sonia's Veggie Steam, and it's really good. First, I started by boiling a pot of water. Once the water started to boil, I added my Yoni herbs. I stirred it a little bit, and I added a lid so that way I can keep in any steam and began to work on my chair. It smells amazing. Alright, so we're going to use a folding chair. I got this folding chair from, I don't know if you can see it. I got this folding chair from Five Below. And it is a little black chair. It was $5. So what I'm going to do with this folding chair, I'm going to take a plate. This is the plate. I'm going to place it in the middle of the folding chair. And I am going to, of course, poke a hole in the chair with the scissors. You can see I made a small hole in the chair. I hope you can see. I placed the plate in the chair. I cut around the plate until it made a perfect circle. So that way, any steam that leaves the pot will go directly to the place that it needs to go. I'm also going to use a sheet so that way I trap in any steam that's going to escape from the pot and go directly where I want it to go. Now that I have successfully wrapped the sheet around me, I am just going to take this time to do a little bit of meditating, journaling, just anything that I need to catch up on, emails that could be scriptures that I haven't read, just anything that I need to do to reset my mind and focus on me and focus on just cleansing myself, mind, body, and soul. This feels so amazing. I would definitely recommend this to anybody that is postpartum. After having a baby, you usually carry so much fluid afterwards, and releasing it takes a while, maybe like a month or so. You will just constantly leak fluid. So this is an easy way to get that process to speed up. And again, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. I hope my tips were helpful and easy and affordable. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.